GrapeCity Documents for Word is a Word API that offers a complete solution to work with Word documents in .NET Standard 2.0 applications. GcWord's object model is based on the Microsoft Office API, Word JavaScript API, and OpenXML SDK. With GcWord, you can create, load, edit, save, and convert Word documents in .NET Standard 2.0 apps with zero dependencies on Microsoft Word. This video walks you through how to get started with GcWord on Mac. Go to GrapeCity.com to learn how to license GcWord in your application. In Visual Studio for Mac, create any application on any target that supports .NET Standard 2.0. Right-click the project in the Solution Explorer and choose Manage NuGet Packages. In the package source on the top left, choose NuGet.org. Click the Browse tab on the top right and search for GrapeCity.documents. In the left panel, choose GrapeCity.documents.word. Choose I accept in the next screen. After the installation is completed, go to the program.cs file. Next, include any necessary namespaces. Create a GcWord document object. Now we'll add a paragraph with some text to the document's main body. Note, the main body of a Word document is split into different sections. You can add paragraphs to different sections of the document. You can access these sections using document.body. That's it. Save the document to a docx file. If you want the file to open automatically after the application code runs, include this code. Run the application. The Word file opens. You've created a Hello World Word document using GcWord. For more tutorials, videos, and code samples, visit our blog.